In this video, we'll use lookup functions to create conditional visualizations in Excel. Let's get started.
We have our employee data ready with sales target, actual sales, and status already filled in. Now let's use VLOOKUP to find specific information from this data instantly. Actual sales is the real number of sales each employee made. For example, Sarah Johnson made 12,750 in actual sales against a target of 10,000. Instead of scrolling through the table to find this manually, let's use VLOOKUP to search by employee ID and get the result instantly. Click on an empty cell, Formulas tab, Lookup and Reference, VLOOKUP. A dialog box opens with 4 fields we need to fill. First is Lookup Value. This is what we're searching for. Click on cell A2. This is E001, which is Sarah Johnson's employee ID. Second is Table Array. This is the full data range where Excel will search. Click on cell A2, then hold Shift and click on cell I9. This selects the entire table from top left to bottom right. Third is Column Index. This tells Excel which column to return the answer from. We want the name, which is the second column in our table, so type 2. If you're not sure which number to type, count the columns from left. Employee ID is 1, name is 2, department is 3, salary is 5, actual sales is 8. Fourth is range lookup. Here we type 0. This means exact match. We want Excel to find exactly E001 and nothing else. If we type 1, Excel might return a wrong result by picking the closest match. So always type 0 when you need a specific value. Click Insert. Excel returns Sarah Johnson, the name linked to E001. Now let's search for actual sales instead of name. Go back to the VLOOKUP formula. Change the column index from 2 to 8. This returns 12,750, which is Sarah Johnson's actual sales. This is useful when you have hundreds of rows. Instead of searching manually, VLOOKUP finds the answer in seconds. Now let's make the status column visual using conditional formatting. We can see some employees met their target and some are below target. Let's highlight them with colors so the result is visible at a glance. Select cells I2 to I9. Click on I2 first, then hold Shift and click I9. This selects the entire status column. Go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, Text that contains. Type Target Met.
You will see color options below. Select Green Fill. Click Done. Now click Conditional Formatting again. Highlight Cell Rules, Text that contains. Type Below Target. Select Light Red Fill. Click Done.
Now look at the status column. Sarah, Emily, Lisa, David, and Chris are green. Mark, James, and Anna are red. Without reading a single number, you can instantly see who met their target and who did not. Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.